Sivaji, the Boss, the movie summary in English. Let's begin. Sivaji Arumugam is a wealthy Indian software engineer who returns to India after working for 10 years in the United States. He aims to establish a non-profit trust called Sivaji Foundation, which includes a network of hospitals and educational institutions that serve the poor free of charge. A highly influential political lobbyist and businessman, Adi Seshan, who runs profit-making educational institutions and hospitals, sees Sivaji as a deadly competitor. To start his foundation, Sivaji is forced by Adi Seshan to pay bribes to several government officials to get the basic approvals and sanctions. This eventually forces him to mortgage his property and sell his belongings to pay out the bribes. Meanwhile, Sivaji falls in love with Tamit Selvi, a demure and traditional girl who works as a saleswoman at a music instrument shop. Initially, Tamit Selvi and her family are scared of Sivaji's advances, but he soon manages to win Tamit Selvi's heart and her family's approval. However, when an astrologer checks Sivaji's and Tamit Selvi's horoscopes, he warns that their engagement will result in heavy financial ruin and their union will result in Sivaji's death. Tamit Selvi initially refuses the proposal due to her concern for Sivaji, but he calms her fears and convinces her to marry him. Adi Seshan starts sabotaging Sivaji by influencing the state government to bring Sivaji to court and forcing him to admit that he paid numerous bribes. The judge declares the verdict against Sivaji, and his foundation is closed. Sivaji, reduced to poverty, decides to play the game his own way. With the help of his uncle, Arivu, Sivaji acquires evidence of 2 billion rupee worth of illegal earnings from Adi Seshan and uses it to blackmail him into giving Sivaji half the money. Adi Seshan sends goons to retrieve the document and money, but Sivaji thrashes them. Sivaji proceeds to do the same to other people who have illegal money, including the officers he bribed. He then transfers the money to his friends around the world. They then deposit the money as donations to the Sivaji Foundation, making the money legitimate. Sivaji informs the Income Tax Department about illegal money held by the tax evaders, including Adi Seshan, and gets them arrested. After this, Sivaji marries Tamit Selvi. Sivaji blackmails the chief minister who was under Adi Seshan's payroll and legally reopens his foundation. Tamit Selvi's innocence is exploited indirectly by Adi Seshan, and she gives up Sivaji's laptop to save his life. He is arrested with presentable evidence. Adi Seshan and the police try to unlock his laptop through voice recognition means but are unable to do so without him. Sivaji refuses and is tortured to the point of death. To cover this up, Adi Seshan and the police organize for mercenaries to shoot at the police van that carries Sivaji's body, making it look like a murder by a third party. However, Sivaji fakes his death as he was informed of the plans to kill him by a sympathetic police constable prior to the interrogation. Left alone in the room, he electrifies himself and loses consciousness. Sivaji's friend Dr. Chezia, Tamit Selvi and Arivu intercept the police van after being informed by Sivaji through an MMS and replace Sivaji's body with a dummy before the mercenaries open fire. Chezia then revives him using a defibrillator. Following Sivaji's death, Adi Seshan tries to open Sivaji's laptop, but they fail, and all the data is erased. A few days later, the revived Sivaji returns to take control of the foundation in the guise of an NRI friend, M. G. Ravichandran. Though Adi Seshan immediately realizes that Ravichandran is actually Sivaji, he is unable to prove it. Later, Sivaji confronts Adi Seshan at one of his institutions, and the two fight. Sivaji breaks open the terrace containing all of Adi Seshan's black money, which flies out in campus attracting students, who all come running out resulting in a stampede in which Adi Seshan gets trampled to death. Sivaji Foundation soon becomes a frontier for India's economic and industrial rise. Sivaji serves a short jail sentence for money laundering, and India becomes a superpower by 2015.